Okay, thank you, doctor. It's my officer. Ganun, balik ko muna. Kunin ko rin kami. Saan? Saka... Boss,
Congratulations.
thank you, doctor. Thank you very much in my help me in St. Paul University. Tagalog speak. Kamusta?
Kumusta kayong lahat dyan?
Kamusta? Okay, sir. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.